Codex is not valuable because it can talk about code. It is valuable when it can read the actual repository, make a constrained change, and prove the result with the right command. The Doramagic manual first way to use a coding agent starts with the workspace boundary. What files are writable? Is the tree dirty? Which tests are relevant? Which instructions apply in this folder? Those details sound boring, but they decide whether the agent is a collaborator or just a fast source of accidental churn. For a first run, I would not ask Codex to modernize the architecture. I would pick one bug, one missing test, or one small feature. The success criteria should fit in a sentence: reproduce the bug, patch the smallest surface, run the targeted check, and show the diff. The main artifact is the diff. The conversation can explain intent, but the diff shows the truth: which files changed, whether unrelated formatting moved, whether a helper was added for a real reason, and whether tests cover the behavior that changed. A strong Codex workflow also protects the dirty tree. If a user already has unrelated work in progress, the agent should work around it, not erase it. That discipline matters more than speed, because a clean-looking answer that destroys local work is not progress. The failure mode is broad helpfulness. Agents often want to clean neighboring code, rename variables, or add flexible abstractions. Sometimes that is useful, but on a production task it is usually risk. The better default is surgical: touch only what the request requires. My verdict: Codex is strongest when treated as a repo-grounded engineering collaborator. Give it a narrow goal, require concrete verification, inspect the diff, and keep the final decision tied to evidence rather than the confidence of the summary. My last check before trusting your run is simple: can I point to the exact files changed, the exact command that passed, and the exact behavior that is now different? If any one of those is missing, the task is not done yet.